5 Canva collections you wouldn't find if you did a regular search. At first, I didn't do it in purpose. I was working on designs for my website and I searched for a texture, but I misspelled the word texture and I wrote it with 2 T in the middle. So I ended up with this collection that I wouldn't find if I wrote the word correctly. This is why I'm calling it a hidden collection. Two things to consider about these collections is that they have all one color to customize and they have pet elements. If you have Canva Pro, you can use them for free, but if you don't, you must pay to use them. This being said, so now I'm going to show you the collections and how I use them to create 5x posts. So they will all talk about free online tools, free font online tools, and so they will belong to the same series. This is the first collection I talked about, found while writing the word textures with 2T. So this is the first one, or this is the code of this collection. I used it to create this post. As you can see, these are the elements from this collection. I use them as decorative elements and not as textures or textures. And the designs to have a constant design or to have designs that appear belonging to the same series, I added some constant elements, the frames, the title and the subtitles, the format of the subtitles, and a logo representing the online tool. So this is the first online tool or the first online font tool. The second post, I used the element from the second collection that represent, or it's a collection of Benty silhouette, festive Benty silhouette. They appear here with same color, so I could, as I said, customize one color. So for each element, I used one color. In fact, I selected 3 elements and I used them as I selected 2 elements and I used them as frame around my design. So this is the design. So this is the element, the 2 elements I used, and I kept, as I said, the same constant design element again, that for the design to appear belonging to the same series. I found this one by writing the word envelope with 2P. I used the elements from this collection as decorative elements and I kept the rest of the design. Now the fourth collection, I found this one by simply writing the word abstract with 2T. If you write it with 1T, this collection will not appear. So I used it again. I used element from this collection as decorative elements and I just added the frames for the descriptive element of the online font tool. The last one, I found this one by writing the word geometric with 2T, and as it appears, it doesn't look great like that, but when I used it on a design, for me, it was perfect. So I just selected one element and I changed one color and I got this collection, or I got this design. If you had this type of experience with Canva and you discovered inadvertently some collections, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.